Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mypay on Chime. Let's begin. Now, Chime Mypay is a convenient feature that lets you send money to anyone directly from your Chime account. To get started, open the Chime app and navigate to the Pay Anyone tab. From there, enter the recipient's email, phone number, or Chime username. If the person is already a Chime user, the payments will be sent instantly and will appear in their account. If they're not on Chime, they'll get a link to claim the money. They can enter their banking details to transfer these funds, even if they use a different bank. One of the best parts is that there are no fees for sending money, and you can send up to $2,000 per month. Plus, it's super secure, and you don't have to deal with cash or complicated transfers. Whether you're paying friends, splitting bills, or sending a quick gift, Chime MyPay makes the process simple and hassle-free. So if you want to get started, you'll go to the top, then select Get Started, or you can also send your email here. So you're going to enter your email, then select Get Started. Now you have to keep in mind that you have to check your eligibility. So you're going to go to the section here where it says Enter your email, and just above that, it'll say State Eligibility. And then it's going to tell you where MyPay is not available in the world. Then if you already have an account, you're going to select Log In or select this section here where it says Already Have an Account. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.